so I'm gonna try to see how. So I did this, I did that, but I'm gonna try to see like how to do that style exactly. I don't even know, like maybe I get like 3 and then like twist. Oh, that's so ugly. I don't know. Hold on, I'll come back. Okay, so you get 3 locks, right? And then you twist really tight. And then twist. When you get to your desired length that you want it to be, you fold it, let it get loose just a little bit. Try to see which way I wanna flip this. And then you just let it loose a little bit. Don't hold it too tight. And then you just freaking turn it. And then you just turn it. Keep turning. Since my locks are long, I really don't even know like how I'm going to like deal with the extra like length that I have. I'll probably bobby pin it or something. Yeah, I'll just lay it right there until I figure out what I'm going to do with it. But yeah. This is just so round. I might have to get a freaking rubber band. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I think I figured out how to do it. Like, as soon as I stopped recording, I figured it out again. So, you're gonna twist. Then, you're going to loosen up so it won't be so pointy. See how this is like, like this one's like really pointy, but this one is kind of like bent over. So you want to loosen up at the tip just a little bit, but at the ending, and then you want to wrap. You don't want to wrap tight. That's how you make it very pointy. You don't want it real pointy. So then at the tip, just wrapping it around. Just wrapping it. So basically that's what you're doing. You're just wrapping it around. Like, it's not as pointy as the other ones, or as the other ones were. And then I just let it like that, and that's how we do it.